Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one of the best faucet website. You can claim your free Bitcoin from that website. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here. After copying, come in this website, paste your Bitcoin wallet address in here, and after pasting your Bitcoin wallet address, this website pay you every 10 minutes your Bitcoin. Okay, and I tell you one thing about this website, this much is the day active and the active users is this much. Total pay Bitcoin is 12.87 Bitcoin. This will be pay to that much people around the world. This is very high payment. And after you paste your Bitcoin wallet address, click claim. First of all, solve this capture is a giant image, honey and fast. Just click the H capture. Is a C plane. Okay, this is the C plane, and just click claim now. And you can see this website pay you one Satoshi. This random number pay you the Bitcoin. This is not the same number of the Bitcoin. Every 10 minutes you come back and claim again. And thanks for watching guys. First of all, I show you this website pay me or not. I go to faucet pay overview, and now you can see this website send me my Satoshi. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.